She actually was skiing, and then I was not with her though. I was waiting for her, and she actually rode down the hill from skiing. So when she came back, she told me about, oh, you know what, I fell, and then she laughed about it. And then she told me, oh, I rode down from the hill. And I said, well, do you have any headache or anything? She said, oh, I had a little bit of headache, but not much. And then right away, I feel that she probably have a concussion because number one, I have another daughter. She's also an athlete, and I'm a volleyball coach. So I know concussion can be very serious. So I said, okay, so just relax. Let's go back to the hotel to see what's going on. And when she went back to the hotel, she told me, yeah, I have a little bit of headache, but not severe, but just minor. And at that point, right away, I know she had a concussion because normally you won't have headache after that, you know? So you will have headache once or twice, but not like continuously you have headache. Like 10-second headache and then stop, and then another 10-second and then stop. So I gave her a little test, you know, like a balancing test, like roll her eye left to right, up and down, things like that. But it seems quite normal. But I still worry about it. So the next morning, I took her to a doctor, and the doctor said, yeah, she had a concussion. It's minor, not severe, but nowadays they don't like rate a concussion. So if it is minor, doesn't matter if it's minor or severe, it's still called concussion. So that's how I found out she had a concussion.